Hey guys, if Google Workspace feels overwhelming, don't worry. This video is your shortcut to mastering it under 2 minutes. I'll show you the smarter way to run your business online. Google Workspace gives you pro tools like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar, but with business-grade control. The biggest difference, you get a professional email like you@yourcompanyname.com, not just a regular Gmail. That will build trust with clients and keep your team organized. After you sign in, head to the admin panel. Think of it as a mission control. From here, you can add team members, reset passwords, create email groups like info@of or support@of, and manage everything from one place. Now let's talk about Drive. Unlike personal accounts, where files belong to whoever uploaded them, in Workspace, you own all the files as the admin. You can set up shared drives for each team, so everything's centralized and secure, even if someone leaves. If you need to collaborate in real time, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides let your whole team work on the same file together live. No more email chains, no more version confusion. For meetings, you can use Google Meet, which is built in right into Gmail and Calendar. Start or schedule a video call in seconds, no extra software or links needed. And for the team chat, you can use Google Chat. It's like Slack, but already integrated. Create rooms, assign tasks, share docs, everything stays in sync. So there you have it. Emails, files, meetings, chats, all in one clean connected system. Google Workspace makes your business easier to manage and ready to grow. And that's it. Now you're ready to run your business like a pro. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and level up your digital game one smart tool at a time. Catch you in the next one.